Delicious and nutritious fenugreek leaves recipes for easy women's weight loss. Discover mouth-watering and healthy fenugreek leaves recipes that can aid in easy women's weight loss. From delectable salads to flavorful main dishes, our collection of delicious and nutritious recipes will help you achieve your weight loss goals while satisfying your taste buds. Let's watch. Find out why fenugreek leaves are your weight loss allies. Women can lose weight effectively by using fenugreek leaves, a potent medicinal plant. Start losing those extra pounds today with these nutritious recipes. Health benefits abound with fenugreek leaves. By slowing blood sugar absorption, they reduce the risk of diabetes and heart disease. Aside from aiding digestion and promoting weight loss, their fiber also aids digestion. Weight loss with fenugreek, why is it effective? Health enthusiasts love fenugreek water, a drink made from soaked fenugreek seeds for weight loss. Fenugreek leaves are also rich in antioxidants and nutrients, which boost metabolism and burn fat. Satiety is induced by their fiber, so high-calorie foods are less tempting. Smooth bowel regularity and digestion are crucial for a healthy metabolism and weight loss. The result of poor digestion can be weight gain and a sluggish metabolic rate. Fenugreek's galactomannan triggers fat breakdown and sugar metabolism in the body, making it an ideal weight loss ally. Fenugreek leaves and lentil soup recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh fenugreek leaves, chopped, half a cup yellow or red lentils, masoor dal or tur dal, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 small tomato, chopped, 1/2 tsp turmeric powder, 1/2 tsp cumin seeds, 1/2 tsp coriander powder, 1/2 tsp red chili powder, adjust to taste, salt to taste, 2 cups water, 1 teaspoon olive oil or ghee, clarified butter, fresh lemon juice for garnish, optional. Instructions: wash and soak lentils for 15 to 20 minutes. Drain and set aside, heat oil in a pan, add cumin seeds, and sauté onions until translucent, add garlic, turmeric, coriander, and red chili powder. Sauté for a minute, stir in lentils, add water, and simmer for 20 to 25 minutes until lentils are cooked. Add fenugreek leaves and tomatoes, cook for 5 to 7 minutes until wilted, season with salt, and optionally, a squeeze of lemon juice, serve hot. Weight loss plans can benefit from this soup, which is high in fiber and protein. The ability of fenugreek leaves to regulate blood sugar levels is also beneficial. Losing weight effectively requires a healthy diet, regular exercise, adequate sleep, and managing stress. In case of health conditions, pregnancy, or breastfeeding, consult your doctor before taking fenugreek leaves.
Please subscribe and press the bell icon to receive important notifications, as well as likes and comments, which will help my videos grow.